Hello, everybody. Mark Bruno with the Monterey Peninsula Home Team, Keller Williams Coastal Estates. At the office today, practicing social distancing. Wanted to talk to you today about a listing we have, 1017 Forest Avenue in Pacific Grove. It's in a great neighborhood. It's called Candy Cane Lane. Those of you from Pacific Grove or the local area know all about it. As the name suggests, Christmas time, they go nuts with Christmas lights in that area. People come from all over the county and even from San Jose down here to check out the houses that are all lit up. Also for Halloween, they get over 1,000 kids that come through trick-or-treating. So it's a great family neighborhood. I have two of my really good friends that I grew up with who live in that neighborhood, both have kids and have raised their family there. As a matter of fact, their kids, some of their kids are off in college, some are still in high school. So a fantastic area, really close to the middle school, really close to the high school. And Robert Down is the grade school, I believe, from there, which is also very close. Fantastic area to live. So what I want to do is do a virtual open house where I'm going to first share my screen with you. And from there, we will open up the website details that I have. It's basically the MLS details on this property. You can see, here's the house right here. You can see where we are in Pacific Grove. So the Monterey Bay is right down here. You could walk to downtown from here. You could walk to the beaches. It's a little bit of a hike. You know, it's probably a 10-minute walk or something to downtown Pacific Grove from here. So you're not right on the water, but again, it's where more of the families and people that live here full time have homes. So property is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. It's a little over 1,800 square feet, and the lot is 7,600 square feet. You can see in the picture here, it goes from the street in front, which is Forest, which is one of the main drags in town, to an alley behind it. So you basically would be bringing your car into the garage on the backside of this property. So you wouldn't be dealing with the traffic out in front, although there is no traffic at the moment. So let me open up the virtual tour. And from there, we can drop down. This is a picture of the front of the house. I don't have exteriors on the 3D tour that we're going to use. So this kind of shows you some of the exterior shots of the house. And I've got some of the yard here as well before we jump into that 3D tour. So you can see, and by the way, everything that I'm looking at here, all of these pictures are available to you. There are links right down below that will take you to this page that I'm on right now. It will also take you directly to the 3D tour that I'm about to start. You could also access that 3D tour from the virtual tour page. So you can come back and check all these pictures out yourself if that's what you want to do. But here is kind of the courtyard area between the house and the garage. And this is the family room. So there was an addition done to this house where they added this section on and this little section here up next to the garage, where this is where the master bedroom is that we'll get to here in a moment. Let me back out of here. And let's check out the 3D tour. So I don't know if you're familiar with Matterport. This is a 3D tour that we have for all of our properties. This just took us directly into the front of the house. Just so you know how this tour works, you can click on this little dollhouse icon and it takes you outside, and you have basically a dollhouse version of this property that you can look at, or a floor plan. So as I was showing you before, here's the master bedroom. There's a garage over here that isn't in the tour itself. This is where that courtyard area was. And then here's the main part of the old house right here, which was originally a 2-bedroom, 1-bath cottage, which is typical for Pacific Grove. So you hit this little Explore 3D icon, it takes you right back to the entry. So this is the living room. And what I'll do is we'll come across here. Here's your dining room. We go through here. This is the family room that leads to the master bedroom. So we can do that. And this also shows you what the courtyard looks like from inside the house. So good sized courtyard. And what's really cool about this, Pacific Grove has a lot of fog, as you probably know. So in the summertime, you've got this little protected area that keeps the wind down. And it's a cool place to hang out, have a fire pit, do a barbecue, have people over or whatever. And you're kind of protected. There's also more room up on this end of the lot too that has pavers down, which is a pretty nice area as well. And then this is the newer part of the house, which has a large master suite. And there is a huge master closet. And when I say huge, it is a lot bigger than what these pictures and this 3D tour lead you to believe. Many people have talked about taking the bathroom, which is over here, and moving it to where the master closet is. There's that much room. You can do both over there if you wanted to, and then move this back into the garage. So here's your master bath. There's your little vanity over here. And you know what I'll do? It's probably easier just to go right back to, whoops, that didn't work, did it? Going to go right back to the main part of the house, back out in the living room here. So here's the front door that we came in originally. So here's your living room, the fireplace. And then if we come down the hall, here is the main bathroom in the older part of the house. It's been totally remodeled, as you can see, new vanity, new tile work. And then down here are two more bedrooms. By the way, these are the original oak hardwood floors that have been refinished. You can see that some of the boards have been replaced in there. And then here is the second bedroom. And this is actually, even though there's two doors, these closets connect on the inside. The other bedroom's set up the exact same way. And then here is a laundry room and a utility room and a door out to that back patio. As a matter of fact, this door right here goes to the kitchen, but for whatever reason, the tour's not set up to do that. So we'll go around this way. Here is your dining room. And you can see it's got the old built-in, so kind of that old charm that you find in the older cottages. And then here is your kitchen. So it's been updated. And again, this door here would go into that laundry area and the door outside. Like I said, for whatever reason, the tour was not set up for that to function properly. So that is the tour that we have of 1017 Forest Avenue in Pacific Grove. For those of you that want to see this property, we do have restrictions with the COVID stay-at-home order that's in place. So we would have to have some time to set up an appointment. As a matter of fact, this property is occupied by one of the owners, even though it was vacant during these pictures. So at this point, we're not allowed to show it. So use the 3D tours down below. And if it's something that you are interested in, let us know. There's ways to contact us down there before. And I thank you for watching this virtual open house.